and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and I know you don't know me yet, but this is my first proper YouTube tutorial, so I'm not gonna talk too much about myself because you're gonna get to know me better later if you subscribe to my channel. That being said, today I'm gonna show you a quick way to achieve a very trendy 2020 makeup look, the Foxy Eyes makeup. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching. Well, as you can see, I already slayed my face and eyebrows, and I'm gonna jump directly to the eye technique because I want you guys to learn exactly the steps on how to achieve this foxy makeup look. So I've already primed my eyelids. Before applying any eyeshadow, just tap the axis of the primer and make sure there is no line or any extra product whatsoever. Okay, so first I'm gonna pop in some highlighter, which will help me to blend the colors afterwards. I'm gonna pop it under my eyebrow as well.
Well, I'm now gonna apply a beautiful peachy pinkish transition shade into the crease and blend it very well.
And I'm just gonna bring it just a little bit into the inner corners of my eye. And then just blending it upwards onto the outer corner. Next, I'm gonna be adding a warm brownie shade into the socket and blend it together with the pinkish, to kind of create just a little bit of depth, but not too much, because I want to make this look more versatile and wearable, especially on a daily basis. Blending the edges together, blending the colors together. Because I've already applied highlighters in the inner corner and under my eyebrow, on the mobile lid I'm just gonna use a matte color, like a nudie whitish matte. And I'm gonna stop towards the center of my eyelid. And then blend the shades and the edges together a little bit. Now I'm gonna be using a black eyeshadow with a very small, precise brush. And I'm gonna focus on the outer corners of my eye, especially the lash line. And I'm gonna apply and diffuse this black color on the lash line. And only on the half of my eyelid, so I'm not gonna go all over. Now I'm gonna look straight into the mirror and kind of create an eyeshadow eyeliner. So I'm just following my natural waterline. Then I'm just diffusing again the black eyeshadow onto the line that I just created. The next step will be to take a pencil brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and start blending the edge of the eyeliner. Don't lie to me,
About your chance about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun.
And if you feel that it's needed, you can go again with the black on the lash line only and intensify the shade. With the same brush that I've applied the transition, I'm gonna just blend everything together. And I'm gonna use a flat concealer brush soaked in micellar water, and I'm just gonna clean out the edges and sharpen up the eyeliner. Now I can apply a little bit of concealer to cover up the skin.
The reason why I firstly clean it with the micellar water instead of just applying the concealer directly is because sometimes we have some eyeshadow fallouts and we actually don't see them. But only by applying the concealer on top, you'll realize that the color is changing. Either it's becoming grayish or it's dirty. So this actually works the best for me to avoid having these problems.
Now it's time to pop some eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well. But just be careful because we don't want to lose the shape. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of a peachy eyeshadow on the lower lash line. But I would not connect it to the wing. So I'm just going to keep it separated.
Okay, so now I'm applying a black pencil on my waterline, and firstly I'm starting with the upper waterline because this will help me later to blend in the fake lashes with my natural lashes. And now this is the front part. I'm gonna create a small wing inside the corners of my eyes just to get a little bit of a more foxy look. And I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Decay. I'm actually gonna list down all the products that I've used in the description box below, just in case if you're interested. I really love this eyeliner because not only it helps me do precise and thin work, but it's also lasting a really long time.
The eyeshadow is done, so now it's time to put on some falsies. I'm gonna mix two types, individual ones and some half streak lashes to just create this foxy look of eye.
The reason why I'm firstly applying the individuals is because normally to achieve the foxy eye look, the strip eyelash should be placed much more higher than the natural lash line. So this will create the ugly gap in between. And by putting individual lashes in the gap, there's not going to be any gap, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to apply the half strip lash. And exactly how I explained you, you're gonna see that there's not gonna be any gap in between and everything will be blended beautifully. I'm smudging a little bit of a black eyeshadow on top of the lash just to cover up the glue and make it look a little bit more smoky. And just for the final step, to bring everything together, I'm gonna use the mascara from Benefit Bang. And because I love their brush, it's really helpful to separate the lashes and at the same time to bring them together, but without making them look clumpy, which is exactly what I needed. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreated a look, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see it as well.
Thank you for watching.